Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find history of installed apps on Google Play Store. So I've already opened my Play Store, and to find the history of installed apps on your phone, you can just go to your profile icon at the top, this one, your photo at the top, and then click on the manage apps and device. And then after that, go to the manage tab, and here to find the apps that you've installed in the past, you can just click on this box. So this right here are the current apps that are installed on my phone. But to find the history of apps that have been installed on my phone, just click on this install box and then click on not installed. Okay, so if you click on that, you'll find there are lists of apps that has been installed on my Play Store in the past, but not now. So if you want to delete the history, just click on the apps, this checkbox right here, and then click on the trash bin icon at the top. And after that, you can just click on remove. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thanks below, thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.